Give a fuck up about no cancel culture, dog. Shalom, 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 family. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good day, good night, man. Shout out to you guys, wherever you listening in from. Oh, man. Every time my little Instagram feed be tweaking. Give me 1 second, y'all. Let me get my Instagram right. Let some people come in. Commodity market review. Hold up, man. Instagram been giving me some problems the last couple of days, bro. But I gotta do my Instagram. A lot of my people on Instagram, live video, put the title, audience, public, give me my stream key. Stop hating. Yeah, I'm not on Instagram right now. I want to be on Instagram. Shout out to my people on Twitch, man. Follow me on Twitch. I'm trying to get my followers up on Twitch, bro. Twitch really the one who like put me on the streaming game and really made me want to stream. I feel like I always had something to say now. Straight up, I had some things to get off my chest, but Twitch really gave me the platform to say what I want to say, do what I want to do. So shout out to everybody following on Twitch, but Instagram been kind of tripping on me lately as far as going live on my Instagram. I don't know whether it's my bandwidth or what. You know what I'm saying? We know I know I'm in Africa now. You know what I'm saying? Chill out, give us a break. It ain't Africa fault, but we trying to get the internet right over here. But the internet was good. I was streaming on all 3 platforms, like, you know, just like last week or so, and it was going good. But so tonight we jumping in on the commodity review. So if you don't know, the commodity asset class is traded with what we call futures. So if you know anything about futures, holler at me. Drop a comment. Let me know if you ever traded futures before. And so let's start right there while I try one last time. Get the Instagram stream going. We live on YouTube, Invest in Yahuwah, and we live on Twitch. We doing it like that. I'm trying to stream 3 platforms. Instagram being one of them. Instagram, YouTube, and Twitch. So what we doing? Connect streaming. See if the streaming software connected. Let's get it right. Let's get it right. Changes will not be safe. Let's try. Yo, what's up? Did I just crash out? If y'all still with me, holler at me, man. I don't like the little ghost followers, man. What y'all got going on, man? It's telling me some people watching, but I can't see you. You feel me? But I'm gonna be fresh as hell. Let the feds watching. You heard me? We're gonna have to step it out some more. People. Okay, so I see we live on Instagram. I mean, we live much. I end up talking like, I'm finna have to beat somebody up over here in Tanzania, man. For real, bro. Because I'm trying to get it right. Okay, I'm on Twitch, so I gotta make me a flyer tomorrow. I've been busy though, working. Oh, we live. About to click out on it. About to click out on it. Yeah, we live on IG, man. You know, shout out to a lot of my followers on IG. My family on IG. You know what I'm saying? People who follow me because they know me personally. Shout out to all y'all. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's one thing I can't really say. Take a moment of silence before I really get into the financial news and talking about the topics and just say, man, I appreciate everybody that took the time of their day, tap in. Anybody who just hit me with words of encouragement, keep going. Like it really mean a lot. You know what I'm saying? As I at the infant levels of infant stages of what we're trying to do with living for Yahuwah, and specifically this branch of the ministry, invest in Yahuwah. We're really trying to, foster this community of investors, right? Hebrew investors, young black males, families, that's what we want to be doing. And I appreciate everybody who done tapped in with me, who, again, had any type of encouraging words to say. I appreciate all of that. So today, we're talking about futures. It's almost the end of the week. It's been a crazy week. We've been going all this week. So yeah, it's time to tap into it, man. We finna get into market, commodities market, and what's happening, what's going on with the commodity prices, the futures. Me, every time I think about commodities, I'm thinking about that bling bling, man. All I'm thinking about is gold and silver, really. So we want to see what is going on with the commodity market. And I mean, again, I said this before, I'm gonna say it again, like this whole shit. I'm gonna slow down my speech pattern. I know I talk fast sometimes. I'm working, y'all. I'm really working on it. I'm trying to speak more clearly and also buffering a little bit. So I want to just not talk so fast, right? Not move so fast. So I'm gonna just try to take my time, go to one page, stay on there. We in Africa, y'all. So it's like, we got everything we need over here, but it ain't sweet either. You feel me? Shit ain't sweet. So let me get this thing ready and let's tap into these charts. Close chat, man. Some stuff, man, gotta close. All right. Let me share my screen with you guys. Give me 1 second. And who is this one person? I feel like I got a little ghost follower, bro. And it's crazy. I'm looking at the market right now, bro. Just yesterday, we were looking at this. We said it's the bottom end on Bitcoin. Bitcoin back at 60,000. Hold up. So a Bitcoin right there, man. Let me, since I'm getting my heart broke all this week, let me see what's going on with my beloved Clean Spark Bitcoin mining stock. That thing was at $11. $11 the other day, bro. Yeah, man. I gotta watch the gap down. I knew this was gonna happen. I knew this was gonna touch back around that way. You feel me? But we ain't finna dwell on it too much. That thing got cut in half. That thing was at 20. Went from 20 to down there 10, 12. We saw it coming. I gotta get back right on that. But sometimes we do invest, hold for the long term. Sometimes, hold on. See, got to be more careful. Really do. Anyway, today we is talking about future. Jimi Hendrix. Future. I will wait for you. Woo! Invest in Yahuwah, boy. If you holding some gold, put your chains up. Go up, baby. This the little boy right now. Don't play with me now. Full curve. What is this? This standing full curve. It could be hitting 27, 24. We looking at about $2,500 an ounce gold. That's crazy. Chat. That's crazy, chat. Again, just keep in mind, like, we started this year around 2,000 gold. That's gold is up 20% this year. You know what I'm saying? When we talk about what's the word I'm looking for? Prudent financial investing, right? And diversification. When we talk about making wise moves like that, this is a prudent investor's dream. A person that's savvy, that's been making the right moves this whole time, allocating correctly. This is what you want to see. Who gonna say something now? Who gonna say something now? If you holding gold for a long time, people like, gold is lagging. I could make more money with crypto. I could do this, I could do that. But gold up 20% while crypto dropping, while the stock market is tanking, gold is doing this thing. So that's a huge blessing. That's a huge blessing. If you holding any precious metal, right? This is very good for the commodities market. So yeah, I came on a little bit different time than usual, a little bit later, but today shouldn't be too long. This is like almost, again, at the end of our week. Monday, we do a stock market review. Tuesday, Forex. Wednesday, crypto. Thursday, commodities / futures. And Friday, freestyle. We talk about, I think what I want to do for Friday is talk about different strategies and, just look at everything as we close the week. So that's my plan, family. But so as we close out the week, I don't want to be on here too long, but gold is looking good. Let's look at it. Zoom out. It's technically a breakout. It's technically a breakout because this high we at right now is a high. It haven't been this high. This is an all-time high. It's breaking out. I don't think it's going to pull back anytime soon. Well, maybe. It might be pulling back. Matter of fact, so it's not going with the 1600. Matter of fact, we need to even redraw, a more median line, like around this 1920 level, because definitely ain't going back to 1600 at all. This is gold we're talking about, right? So economy got to be doing real good. They got to be printing a lot of money. And if they print a lot of money, that just means gold going to be more valuable. If, cryptocurrency go on a big run, gold going to be more valuable. So I can't imagine a scenario where gold doesn't go up, right? And I'm the asset you want to be in. Stuff that just go up without even trying. That's where you want to be. That is certainly where you want to be, for sure. Let me see. So I feel better already. I'm glad I came on. Glad we get into it a little bit with this. Back on our commodity review. I ain't gonna lie. I told y'all last week we missed a week. Not more than a week. I was off for like 2 months, man. But Yahuwah willing, I don't take no more breaks, man. We had the baby, successful delivery, all praise to Yahuwah. As much as we invest in Yahuwah, we believe in Yahuwah, we trust in Yahuwah. When we talk about investments and stuff, we know investments is not everything. Family is our greatest investment. Besides Yahuwah, the next thing he gave us is family, and that's what it's all about. So with that said, everything good with the family, copacetic, everybody doing well. Nothing else to do but focus on the bread, So gold is doing well. It's making me proud, bro. I'm glad I got some pieces. I got some pieces. And this now we really get into the nitty gritty of this gold chart, and it's up big today. Went down about 40.20, 24.20. Right now it's at 24.63, around 24.65, and prospects are looking good. Let's look at the 4-hour chart just to make sure we're not delusional, and we assessing everything correctly. So yeah, again, it broke through these levels we had prepared already. We had drawn on our chart some reference lines. Right now it's not an all-time high, but it was an all-time high a couple days ago. Now we just tapered off just a little bit, but we're not heading in a downward trend. It's actually in an uptrend. As it hits the top of this Bollinger Band, which this may be putting in the top right now, but still, for right now, we at the top of this Bollinger Band. We over the median moving average of the Bollinger Band. We over the upper bands of the zone that I drew. So right now, we're in a good area. We're in a good area if you own it. If this was a trade, this would be a time to move your stop up, move your stop loss up, or take some profit. And just throwing out that word, talking about taking profit. We got to be taking profit, family, because I remember, again, the stock market was just looking the same way. It was up, and it was up very healthy amount 2 months ago. And if you would have took profit, you would have been doing good, right? But not taking profit sometimes is the worst enemy, because you just give it all right back, and that is like, that's not what we want at all. That is not what we want to do at all. That is not what we want to do. So we gotta be paying attention to these things. So gold right now is the place to be. Can't be mad at gold. Gold ain't do nothing wrong. So let's look at some other commodities though, for real. Again, catch back up to what is going on. Crude oil, why not? We want to get. We looked at gold. We want to get to the silver. Crude oil. I was gonna say, is it down? No, it's at $75 a barrel. That's not bad. Depends. You know, obviously, it's all perspective, depending on where it's coming from. But we've been moving. You see, that's why you zoom out, because you're just looking at that small time frame. And look, you know, you could trade it, but it's not really giving you one big direction, one way or the other. But now we can see, like, this is where it's been between 68 and like 80 bucks, 85, between 65 and $85 a barrel, and it's holding strong right now. Maybe even going down to the downside a little bit. We'll see. But now's the time to buy. It's closer to the lows than it's to the highs right now. So that's important. That's relevant. And yeah, man, the more I look at futures, the more I'm glad that I decided to, you know, include this asset class and decided to actually take a look at it, because they are important. And when we deal with futures, we looking at things that a lot of people don't look at. All these future contracts. This is like, I ain't only sophisticated investors or only advanced investors, but definitely people that's really more tuned in the market, and they understand the correlation, right? Like the correlation between the oil price and the economy, or the price of oil and, you know, geopolitics, or the price of oil and other relative stocks. People who trade commodities and they looking at the securities that we're looking at, they have they more advanced basically. So, you know, I don't want to say like, oh yeah, we're more advanced because we looking at commodities, but like I said, once we understand the candlestick pattern, the patterns can reflect the price action of any security. So learning the read candlesticks is so important, because once you do, you can see anything. So we see some references that I drew out before, talking about this box right here and how shit really all 2023 it was sideways. This is silver right now. So silver been sideways. $21, $26 for all of 2023, but now huge breakout. Like the last time silver saw 30 bucks an ounce was, you know, long time ago. So it ran up to that 30 an ounce. Now it's pulling back a little bit. A healthy pullback, you know. It's not crashing, but it's pulling back a little bit. So it is what it is. But silver in a good place. You know, the thing about it is, this is 2024. So you can't expect silver to be still $10 an ounce. You know what I'm saying? Like the prices for that was in 2000 was good, and the prices that was in 1995 or 1990 was even better. But everything was relative to their own particular economy. And in this economy, things are so inflated. People getting so much money. You know, so much Fed funds are flowing. So many people getting federal money, whether it's loans, stimuluses, SBA loans. You know what I'm saying? Trade lines, all type of ways people trying to get money, refinancing. So gold gonna rise, you know what I'm saying? But it's not really a ridiculous rate. So silver pulling back a little bit. As far as I'm concerned, this is a huge buying opportunity. Huge buying opportunity for silver. And I think that's the word right there. That's the main thing we want to say. Like, take advantage of the buying opportunity if possible. That's what we want to be able to do. What's up with my Twitch? Twitch on beat, man. It just froze up a little bit. Don't freeze me, bro. Don't freeze me. All right. So yeah, again, gold up and back a little bit. Same thing. Silver. It's not identical chart, but same thing. It's up big, like 30K is doing good. It's pulling back right now, around 27. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Let's see what other commodities we can take a look at. Man, I ain't got nothing in my nose. I see I keep scratching my nose. There's nothing in my nose, but for some reason it's itching. So party at the party playing with his nose now. Oh, what is wrong with my nose? Right? So we checked out gold. We checked out crude oil futures. We checked out silver. Let's check out natural gas. And then take a look at some news articles. Let's see if we can find some Forex news. I mean, not Forex news. Commodity news, futures news. Okay. What we got going on with crude oil? I remember talking about this the last 2 months when I was on here. Last time we did this, it was down at this level. I drew these reference lines on here. Again, the lines are holding. This is a nice supply zone. Very nice supply zone. Demand zone. Very nice demand zone, right? Or a buy zone, whatever. A lot of words you use, but it's the demand zone area to buy where the buyers are, because they actually putting some support on this. It didn't go down any further. But like we said, natural gas, things like that, they are seasonal. You expect them to be low in the summer, but when the winter come and the fall come, people need more heating and cooling. Heating, really, they need heating solutions in the wintertime in America. Like, we can expect the price of this stuff to rise. So this is it's still a great trade. I said that before, it's a great trade. And now it's consolidating. As what month we in? We in August, headed towards September. So this is a buy, right? You see, every commodities, it seems like it's hard to go wrong with commodities. Natural gas is a buy. Silver is a buy. Gold is a buy. You can't go wrong. If you're holding them, you actually subtracting from the overall global supply, and you create more, you help it to create a little bit more scarcity, and then you holding your own, and if you holding it, it can only go up. It can only go up. So that's what's up. So I'm glad to hear about that, see that. Wanda, Holland, Diaspora Connect. Talk to me. Invest. Let's invest, Wanda. Let's invest, man. So it's good to see the family tapping in, man. So we checked out gold, silver, crude oil, natural gas. Which other commodities should we take a look at? I was saying after this, let me go check out some stuff. Copper, man. Copper is a powerful mineral. Very, very powerful. Very powerful. A lot to do with that. Man, copper been on the run. This is a weekly, this is a monthly. Oh, last couple months. Okay, it did touch up. Come back down. Okay. Copper doing this thing. Right in the middle right now. The lines we drew, the zone we created right in the middle. I was gonna say it's like it's falling pretty good, but it's good to see a Bollinger Band here. Slow this fall down, you know what I'm saying? Slow it down, but is it going to reverse, or is it just going to retrace and fall more? Be honest, as we look at it, like it's going to retrace and fall more. You know what I'm saying? Like it's been up a lot this year, earlier. Now, the copper run is over, man. The copper run is over. Yeah, the daily looking, I ain't gonna say it's looking bad, but not too bad. You know, it's looking like it's maybe about to start reversing, you know, just like that, just like the copper situation, the natural gas situation. Copper is not seasonal, but this is the time. A lot of things are putting in the bottom, heading toward the end of this fiscal year, toward next first quarter of next year. People are man, excuse me. It's past my bedtime, y'all. Wow. Stock futures. Futures investing. So they say stock Wall Street heads for a best day in over a year. Dow jumped 700 points. You see what I'm saying? The market give up. The market give up 1,000. The next day it get back 700 points and gains. So we gotta pay attention, man. That's the whole point of what we're doing. We gotta pay attention because it's no blanket statements like, oh, the market good or everything gonna be good. We don't really know, man. We gotta see how it goes. We need to do our research and stay on top of our situation, man. That's the bottom line. One second. So yeah, I'm looking at some news right quick. Just man, I'm finna jump off, y'all. Still one follower who ain't leave no comment. I see you. My people on Twitch, I know they be watching the stream later. That's what's up. That's what's up. One second. Let me put up this news information. Let's read it together, so we can all get it from together. That's cool. I think that's what we want to be doing. It's a great time for me to do some research when I'm on here, live streaming. Research is live, man. Yeah, so we're just checking out the market watch right now, looking at some futures news, seeing what they could tell us, if it's anything we need to be aware of. You know, this is really what most people do as part of what they call a pre-market strategy. So before you get out there, when you wake up in the morning, before you just like jump into the market and start trading, what a lot of people are going to do is spend 10, 15 minutes on their favorite news outlet, site, or reading their favorite paper before, right? In the old days, it used to be the Wall Street Journal. People going to trade, going to wake up, read the newspaper, look at Wall Street Journal, see what's going on, you know, and then jump into the market. Today, it's totally different, right? No more newspapers. Wall Street Journal is online pretty much, and we can do the research ourselves, man. Oh yeah, oil prices and higher. Right. So everybody talking about this oil prices. So I was just saying how natural gas prices look good. It's so low. They set for a seasonal rebound. Right now, let's look at this article because this is what they'll show you. Not right before what the season comes. So next time, by the time they go up, and next time they put another article out, messed up. Gas had become a more international. So why the price not up? Natural gas prices have dropped during the hottest summer ever, thanks to Europe. So let's read this so we can get some more insight on natural gas, the economy, world economics situation, all that, because that's going to help us out to make trades. This doing the research is our competitive advantage, no lie. When you did the research, nobody can stop you. So it say air conditioners are running at full tilt in many parts of the U.S. during what's expected to be the hottest summer on record. But the price of natural gas, hold up now, chill out, market watch. No, don't do me like that, baby. I'm trying to show the people what y'all got going on. I'm trying to plug y'all up. You playing game now, people ain't going to read from you. Straight up. Hold up, I'm doing too much. I shouldn't even press that button. Just check it on the other page, check it on my stream. We still chill. Right. So anyway, air conditioners are running at full tilt in many parts of the U.S. during what's expected to be the hottest summer on record. but the price of the natural gas used to help power them has dropped to its lowest level in 3 months. Expiration day Monday, the August natural gas futures contract settled at $1.90 per million British thermal units on the New York Mercantile Exchange, down a fifth consecutive session to end at the lowest level since April 26, according to Dow Jones Market Data. It's no surprise. The September contract, which is listed here, again, it's the futures we're talking about. Futures contracts, commodities. It's a commodity-based futures contract, right? The September contract, which is NGOO, is up 123, which is now in front. Now the front month edged up by 4.4% to settle Tuesday at $2.13. Excuse me. Based on the front month, prices have fallen 37.3% from this year's intraday high of 392, 339 on January, during the higher demand winter heating season. So last year, the winter season was a higher than usual demand. What you think will happen this year? And they trying to frame the story like, oh, this commodity is going down because of something other people doing. No, the season just ain't hit yet. Like I was saying, but when the season comes, it's gonna be here. So it says natural gas has become a more international fuel, given the ability to transport liquefied natural gas, also known as LNG, around the world, said Beth Sewell, President and Chief Executive Officer at Quantum Gas and Power Services. LNG shipments in Europe are down due to higher storage levels after last winter's non-event, milder winter weather, coupled with South and Southeast Asia's demand expected to start falling as monsoon season ramps up. Monsoon. So they got us another word for hurricane. We call it hurricane. Over here, they talk about cyclone. Over there, they say monsoon. Now, monsoon and a hurricane, I think that's a big wave, but I hope they be all right, man. As the season heats up, there's nothing really happening yet, but the season is heating up. Anyway, Europe stockpiled up on supply. European natural gas storage levels finished the natural gas supply withdrawal season at the end of March at 58.7% full, or 3% higher than the prior year. Sewell told MarketWatch during data included in the article from the Financial Times. Last winter was generally mild in Europe, and strong LNG imports and slow economic activity, along with the European Union's gas usage reduction targets, contribute to high storage levels. She said, adding that demand for natural gas was about 20% lower in February than the 2019 to 2021 averages. So things are definitely tapering off for demand, but again, it's not the season. That don't mean it ain't gonna pop up. I think after reading this and just seeing what they're talking about, yeah, these people got more reserves, but it's not really, the wintertime ain't come yet. And the way how, everything we're looking what's going on with the economy, you need more reserves, but people finna use this gas. I know in the United States, especially when it get cold, it's coming up. It's coming up. And the same thing with Britain, Britain, whoever that is, they say stockpiling, they got a little bit more natural gas than before. They're gonna need it, or they're gonna have to sell it. Because again, a lot of countries get cold. And one thing I know from staying in a place that got cold is in the summertime, that's when you're supposed to be preparing. You cutting your trees, you chopping your wood, you letting your wood dry. In this modern day and age, it's no way to prepare. People not cutting down trees. So it's like you need to be storing more gas. And that's exactly what they're doing. They're storing more gas so that when this heavy season comes, at least they can service the people. So I still think LNG is good. Natural gas might be a good play. Let's go back to the chart. Look at a couple more futures contract. We ain't been over here in a minute, so let's really dive into it. We checked out copper, we checked out natural gas, crude oil, we touched it, gold, silver, platinum. Platinum ain't worth covering, man. Ain't nobody buying platinum, in my opinion, From far as I know, I don't know about the black platinum. Copper, soybean. This the one. Soybean and corn. We out here. Let's check out wheat, soybean, and corn. These are the real commodities, the agricultural commodities. For real, for real. Hold up. Let me get off the 4 hour. We're looking at wheat futures right now. Woo! Down in the barrel. But that's good because we know at least a food shortage, not on the horizon. Wheat futures is pretty low. And you see, I got the last lines here for reference. This box I was drawing, it kind of broke out of the box, not the retest. And it's going to the bottom. And so it looked like it's time to buy commodities. Let me go weekly. Yeah, that's a long drop in the last couple weeks, bro. Last 2 months been brutal, vicious. So if it ever was a time to jump in, you mitigated a lot of risk. The risk is gone. Matter of fact, chart looking pretty good for wheat, bro. And I don't think we need to go into it no more than that. Like, wheat is looking good. Nigga need that wheat, bro. Anybody never had too much wheat. So as we can see, so again, I guess sometimes these, correlate. These commodities correlate, one down, they all down. You see, and corn has been getting driven into the ground. Lows, multi-year lows, But the thing is, when it turn around, which is what I'm thinking about, is very scary. It might soar, it might go high. So, man, we gotta be paying attention to this stuff, and that's why I'm glad. Like, again, Yahuwah put it on my heart to really to do all that, to do this and stay on top of it. Not just for myself, but for you guys. And I'm gonna be honest, it definitely helped me out because, again, it helped me, give me a reason to RB gasoline futures. Yeah, it looked like these I would just say, just give me an opportunity to stay on top of my portfolio, watch the charts, and find great trade opportunities. And as we look at soybean now, we're seeing corn and what was the other thing? Wheat are at both, at lows for the year and great buying opportunities. And the same right here for soybean. Wow, look at this. It's down. Now is the time to get it. Now remember, also, I think I can see the catalyst for this coming. In the United States, the Fed is about to cut the rates. They about to cut the rates for the economy and help try to help stimulate the economy. So what that's going to lead to? A risk-on mindset for all of these investors. So the commodity prices, we can't expect them to go up. So might be a good trade, bro. Might be a good trade. Very well could be. So yeah, give me 1 second. Let me check my rounds, see what's going on our platforms. We had a brief visitor. Instagram working. Twitch still live. Let's see what's going on. Twitch telling me I got somebody peeking in. Man, follow that. Follow us on Twitch, man. Hit the follow button. Instagram, follow a nigga. YouTube, support a brother. So yeah, man, I'm gonna leave it right there. We ain't got too much engagement right now. We're not really missing anybody's comments or anything like that. So I think it's a good time to put it down. But it was a great opportunity to see what's going on with commodities, and it's a good chance to put some trades on. Some of this stuff we want to wait for confirmation. Wait till it turns around already. You don't want to catch a falling knife. We don't know how low it could go. But these are commodities. This is food. Like, it's not going to go to zero. Wheat is going to always be worth something. Corn, soybeans, it's GMO, but you know what I'm saying? Like, it's going to be worth something. It's animal feed. You can do a lot with that. So all these things are very important to mention and to remember as we make our investment decisions and whatnot. So, family, I appreciate you guys joining me. I'm gonna go ahead and get up off here, get some rest. We got to get up tomorrow, spin the bin again, daily brew. You know what time it is. So, shalom. It's been your brother, Daliyahu Yasharal from Investing Yahuwah, signing out. Till the next time, peace. Yo. Ah, damn, what is it? Mosquito 10, nigga. So yeah, I'm out of here, family. I'm gonna holler at y'all later. Check out the stream. Should be on Twitch for the